1.5 foot conventional snowplow, UP180. It's in real solid shape. It's got the lights and all that good stuff. Everything is intact. The frame itself is real solid, very little corrosion on it. Cylinders look good. There's some corrosion on the cylinders. You can see that a little bit, but that's only the wiper seal that would be affected. The cylinder itself should work just fine. Plow shoes are looking good. Springs, everything looks real solid on this plow. Moldboard is in excellent shape. It's got a rubber deflector shield. Lights look good. MD2. So this is a real solid looking plow, ready to work for you. We've had it in the shop. We checked it out. Up, down, right, left, everything works. Thanks for looking.